Past several years, I was in prison. I'm at the end of a 30-year term.
I just got so depressed because I raised my oldest son's child. I had her since a year and a half, so I'm trying to think how we going to eat, how we going to do this, how we going to do that.
Been like a repeat roller coaster. Really nothing really stable, no stability.
Constantly going back and forth to prison. I was a grown man with no direction at all.
I entered because I was in a halfway house. I'm just saying, like, I don't know what path I would have probably went back to leaving here if I didn't go back out into the streets with a different set of skills.
Losing my mother, it was like I lost my mother and my job all in 1 year. They laid me off, so.
Yeah, the coaching, the mentoring, there's so many things here in the kitchen that they get that they have never had, and a lot of them have never had in their lives.
It helped me because I, got my credit together with Miss Wanda, learn how to budget.
Simple things as far as having references to get a job. When I came here, I didn't have any of that. I didn't have no resume, I didn't have nothing.
And I love that they have counseling people come in.
It teach me a lot of responsibilities. It teach me to be on time. It teach me that this ain't just a program. It's prepping me for the real world.
It's exciting being here and seeing everyone, the ideas, the craft, the art.
The work ethic, when you do a job, do the best job that you can.
They didn't care where I came from. They wanted to help me.
Overall, in all life aspects, everything from the kitchen, the program, the people became family.
I know my mom's not here, but I know I got a family within the Cathedral.
It's like a family thing here. It's like one of your brothers and sisters fell down and you're trying to rebuild them again.
It feels like home right now. The program has been helpful and instrumental in helping me successfully transition back into society.
Been married now 7 years. Bought a house 5 years ago.
I learned that I'm better than what I thought I used to be, and I will never let nobody downgrade me again.
I could be able to take care of myself and my granddaughter like I used to be with nobody's help.
It helped me blossom, I feel comfortable with what I'm doing now. I wasn't comfortable a couple months ago.
I learned about myself, that anything is possible, so never give up.
It's giving me something to strive for towards my future in terms of a profession.
I want to make this into a career, in a type of way that I can be able to give someone else a job.
Like I said, this program gave me a second chance.
And this school has given me, my life back.
I know now where I want to be. I know my goals, I know my dreams, I know everything that I have to do to move forward, and this is just one step closer to what I need to get done so I can become a young, successful woman.